just be friends. All we gotta do is just be friends. It's time to say goodbye, just be friends. All we gotta do is just be friends, just be friends, just be friends. Early morning yesterday, it finally occurred to me, just like a puzzle where I had placed every single piece. And now I don't know what to do, now that I see what we're both moving to. Is this the point in time where we both prayed and hoped we'd be? Somehow I knew that from the deepest reaches of my heart, the hardest choice will be the choice that tears us both apart. And now I know I can't ignore all the feelings that I felt before. I wonder why I never tried to tell you from the start. Here in this world of ours that's slowly falling all around us, we're trying to move on, but it's the best we can do. Our happiness fading and smiles are fading, the truth within the lies. Now all I hear are screams between us, resounding and bouncing, the echoes throughout my mind. Nothing remains, nothing is left at the end of the line, at the end of our chain. We both run out of time. So was it fate that brought us together, only to remind us that love's not forever? I said, you know, that's how it goes, that's just the way that life is. So no regrets, baby, don't fret. You know I hate to see you cry. Last night a quiet moment helped me bring my thoughts around. No sense in picking fallen petals up from off the ground. This flower's past its bloom, and you know that we can both assume our time is gone, let's move along. It was never meant to be. Don't you remember the first summer? It was all worthwhile. Every moment that we spent together made you smile. Arguments we won't recall, with no regard to how we felt at all. Our words were cruel, we played the fool, the end is on our minds. And with every single day that passes slowly by us, there's nothing I can do, nothing I can do for us. I will always love you, and I'll always think of you, but I have to tell you now. Oh, somewhere deep in my heart it's raining, the clouds are remaining to drown me away from you. I'm driven but I've had enough, our broken heartache still here. It seems that no matter what, it simply won't disappear. The bond between us is finally broken, there's too much unspoken, we're falling so far apart. Goodbye my love, it's done sweetheart, sayonara, it's the end. It is time to depart, and we will never look back, my friend. Just this one time, oh this one time, if I could make a wish upon a falling star, if it came true, I'd stay with you, always forever, you and I together. Now all I hear are screams between us, resounding and bouncing, the echoes throughout my mind. Nothing remains, nothing is left at the end of the line, at the end of our chain. We both run out of time, the bond between